That's so filthy.
Oh no.
It has been 2 weeks of suspense until we actually see what Dusty is going to look like with her new roof, and we are beyond excited. What do you think?
It's on.
Already looks like a bit of a different car. Headspace Campers 270 Awning, which is absolutely epic. Same canvas to match the same canvas on the tent. So cool. New home on wheels. Dusty got a big upgrade.
After 2 long days driving from Adelaide to Brisbane, we are finally here at Headspace, and today we are dropping off our Troopy.
It's going to be so good.
So many mixed emotions and feelings. We probably won't get to see her during this process. Maybe we will, not sure yet, but it's going to be 10 days to 2 weeks.
Yeah, but it's going to look absolutely incredible. It's going to be a massive change. And stay tuned, because we actually get to ask Ollie, which is the owner of Headspace, the founder of Headspace, some questions. So stay tuned throughout the video to see that, because you know, I feel like all the questions that you guys actually asked us through our Instagram. So if you're not following us on Instagram, go ahead and do so. They get answered on this video as well. So that's awesome.
Yeah.
All right, guys. See Dusty in 10 days.
Just saying my goodbyes.
That's so filthy.
Oh no.
So this is what Dusty looks like right now. She's absolutely filthy. Yeah, it's such an exciting journey. And hopefully what we're going to do now is answer a bunch of questions that you guys might have about if you're on the fence about doing a conversion or which one to go with, etc. So we're going to get a bunch of answers, which is going to be awesome. But how are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm excited for this. It's going to be so much better. I feel like anything's going to be better than this, what we have currently.
Yeah.
We can hardly sit down on our bums without crouching over.
It's a really old school setup.
Yeah, I mean, if it's weekend trips, it's fine. But I mean, for what we want it for, it's just not realistic.
No, it's going to be great. So I just want to give you a bit of a rundown of what she looks like so far. So we've got some really ugly mounting points for the shower awning. This doesn't close properly, so all that stuff will be done, all fixed. That's what it looks like from the front. And then yeah, we'll be able to give you guys a bit of a comparison about what it looks like when it's all done, because it will look much different. All right guys, we're finally down here in HQ in Brisbane with Headspace. Ollie, how are you, mate? Nice to meet you, Scott. Nice to meet you too. We've had a lot of questions come through, and now that you're here, we would just love for you to answer some, if that's all right.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, beautiful. Absolutely. Question number one, guys, and a lot of you have actually asked this. Once the conversion is fitted, do you offer models that are actually bolt on, bolt off? If I wanted to change it down the line, if I wanted to sell the car and I wanted to keep the tent, can I put the old roof back on?
You can. You can transfer the Defender conversion. It's a bolt-on system, so the roof doesn't get trimmed or cut in any way, shape or form. We just shovel it back 10 millimeters. So
that's awesome.
Obviously not with the cruisers, because we cut the roof off, so you're already halfway there, I guess.
Yeah.
But yeah, you do. It's no return on the cruisers, but for the Defender, you can.
That's awesome. So for all you people out there driving a Defender and you wanted to keep the tent for some reason, bolt the old one back on. Awesome. One of the reasons that we loved the Headspace Campers was the fact that we saw, you can leave your mattress up there, your quilt, your pillows and everything like that. Yeah. Can you talk about how much room is up there? Let's look at it. It's like night and day. We cannot leave anything up there. We've got to put in wooden slats to make the bed. All that's got to come down. So how's the difference in the Headspace?
You can keep everything up there. So to answer that question, yeah, perfect. Everything stays up there. Obviously with the high top option, you can keep a larger mattress.
Yeah.
But we have got several people running the high top mattress in their standard top conversion.
Yeah.
So once the canvas softens a bit over time, 6 months of use,
yeah,
you can actually go and put a 50mm topper inside the conversion.
Amazing.
As well as all your bedding.
Yeah,
so,
cool.
Yeah, we get away with it because it's the curvature of the roof.
Got it.
So you actually get an extra 30mm just from the curvature. kind of
Sort of,
maintain.
isn't it?
It looks slim, but it's actually tall.
Yeah, awesome. That's incredible. The more and more that I speak to you, the more I'm actually learning about these conversions. It just I was already sold before, but answering these questions is just
And
epic.
I'm still learning. 4 years on, it doesn't stop.
I got 2 more questions, and I reckon these are probably the biggest ones that we've received. Let's talk about the load limit of the roof. So, obviously we're replacing essentially a new roof. So if people like us, like we're going to put solar up there, max track potentially.
Yeah.
Like what is the limit to the roof that we can put
We've
on?
engineered it pretty heavily, like it's a 4 mil thick alley frame, like
Yeah.
laser enfolded, so the strength of it's phenomenal. So yeah, we were able to establish that 150 kilogram loading capacity.
Wow,
which is just a
cool.
factory. So obviously minus the roof rack, but
Yeah.
these racks are only about 13 kilos. We've destroyed that for a fair bit, as you can see, in testing. But the roof rack's super light, so yeah, you can still maintain roof loading capacity.
Awesome. So it'd be very comfortable to be able to fit, you know, a couple solar panels, maybe a surfboard,
Yeah,
etc.
definitely.
Yeah.
Spare tyres, you
Awesome.
need 2 storage boxes.
Because I know CJ wants to, you know, curve
Carry
that surfer
everything.
in her, which is going to be great.
You definitely can. Just got to let us know though, so we can put the heavy duty struts in.
Cool.
It's the same strut, just with more gas, with
Yeah,
more
okay.
pressure, so it gives you a bit more lift.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. And one last question, I guess, like, and I don't know if you've seen much about it or heard people, like people are overloading their Troopies with massive 12 volt systems, and I know there's some customizable options for the tents that you guys have got as far as, you know, wiring up fans and lights and etc. Talk about how easy is it, and is that an option that you guys provide to have it already pre-done?
In terms of the internals,
Yeah.
yeah. In our premium model, it comes with the 2 fans.
Cool.
Both models come with the lights, and the premium comes with an extra couple of charging ports up there too.
Nice.
So you got USB, USB-C, fast charging up there
Cool.
for his and hers, and
Yeah.
then you can opt for reading lights as well, which we can put into.
Nice. So there's his and her fans up there as
Yeah,
well.
it's all-
Because I'm a really hot
it's all
sleeper,
synced
so
up.
mine will be on all the time. And she likes to sweat when she's.
That's why the windows are so big, so you can just like get that fresh air through it. It's amazing.
That's so good. And just one last question I thought of was,
Yeah.
you know, let's talk about the difference between the standard and the premium option.
Okay.
All right. So, what's the biggest difference, and why do you think people would opt over a premium over a standard?
The big ticket items would be in the premium you got that automotive spray paint finish. So it comes off a spray gun. It's the same sort of coating as what's on the car as well.
Yeah.
So in 10 years' time, you know, you can just repolish the conversion like you'd polish your car
Cool.
to bring it back to life again.
Right.
Whereas with the standard model, it's just a powder coat finish, which is still quite a durable paint, and it's industrial finish, but in 10 years' time, it looks 10 years old.
Yeah.
That's probably the main difference there from the paint perspective. And then the timber lining as well on the underside of the bed base, which is
Yeah.
a bit of a major feature.
Yeah, that looks
Premium, so-
absolutely. We were down here actually yesterday, behind the scenes for you guys. We're down here yesterday, and we actually saw a timber lining, and CJ said, "Oh, that looks bloody good. Should we change our mind as far as..." Because we actually got the heavy duty
Nice
Velcro.
feature.
So one little thing I just want to touch on as well, we actually upgraded to the heavy duty Velcro instead of the carpet finish, because we want to track everywhere we've gone with the patches.
Yeah.
So we want to put it on the Velcro instead of the carpet. You reckon that's a good idea?
If you're just putting on patches like that, you can put that on just our standard carpet, by the way, if
Yeah.
you didn't already. Like,
Cool.
it's only the Velcro carpet is when you're pulling stuff on and off every
On
day.
and off, okay.
It doesn't pull the carpet apart. Yeah.
Cool.
So, but if you are just putting patches up there, which people do, you
Yeah.
can just put that on the standard
Nice.
carpet that we supply. Yeah.
But if someone a little bit like us, a little bit OCD, and they were looking at the patches going, "Oh, I want to move that one
Yeah,
over
if you're
there,"
doing that, yeah.
every day?
Yeah. You definitely got no choice there.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
No, beautiful. All right. Well,
great.
thanks so much for your time, man.
No, not a
I
problem at
appreciate
all.
it absolutely,
You're
guys.
welcome. Thanks
You
for
heard it
supporting
here
us.
from Ollie. If you have any more questions, drop it in the comments, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can about them. But you know what? We'll leave a link in the description to the website as well. And if you guys want a consultation, please just email you guys at how they get in
Yeah,
contact.
just throw an email through
Email?
Or call the sales line.
Beautiful.
Either or, yeah.
Awesome. All right, man. Thanks so
Thank you.
much.
Cheers.
Babe, talk to me about how exciting it is for not being able to do that.
Yeah, I'm excited just to pull the end of the bed floor up and down. It's going to be great. And then bucking these in and then potentially popping them off every time. I'm so excited for that to not happen. Alright, so next time we're going to see Dusty is potentially with no roof on, and then after that we'll see her fully completed. So we'll probably only get to see her one more time during this process, and then the completion in like 10 days. So excited. So until then, we'll see you then.
1 week later.
Hello guys.
What's going on?
We're back. For you, just seconds, but it's been about a week since we've been back to see Dusty. So today we get to see her with no roof on. Apparently it was an absolute nightmare to cut off the old conversion because it was all fiberglass and it was making everyone itchy, and it was just a bit of a nightmare to get off. It wouldn't come off in one piece.
It's making me itchy just thinking about
They
it.
had to cut it up into pieces to get off. But
We'll see it when we get in there. But
yeah,
we're at Headspace again today, and hopefully we're also going to have a little bit of a behind the scenes action about how they sort of lower the new one on.
yeah, it's exciting.
So exciting.
But let's go see what she looks like.
That looks like a heap of trash. I'm glad we didn't waste our time taking those off.
Yeah, I'm so glad. She's topless. There she is. Nakey.
Nice.
Wow. Look at that.
This is the Headspace office, and look at it's just so cool. We're just so excited to actually see this on our car.
A few moments later.
What do you reckon?
She's looking snazzy.
Looks good, hey?
Yeah.
How cool is that going to be?
I'm so excited to see the next part.
Yeah.
So now that the first part is being stuck down, it needs to be clamped for 4 days, and then the rest of it can be done.
Step one, hey?
Step one, done. This is the roof. She won't get put on until Friday. But the biggest thing that I was scared about is because I'm a really touchy-feely person and I hate surfaces. This is actually okay to touch. I can deal with
That's
this.
an epic plus.
That's such a win, because otherwise I cringe and it's a problem I have. We all have them.
So this is the heavier duty Velcro. The carpet is absolutely fine to have your Velcro patches on as well, but for us, we're probably going to be on off.
Rearrange.
That's why we upgraded to the heavier duty. But when the roof is complete and we've got everything done, we'll actually give you a bit of a rundown of why we have actually chosen this particular model and give you the pros and cons from our perspective anyway.
Yeah.
This is getting exciting.
I know, it's super late today. So Friday, bring on Friday.
While we're driving away, I just want to say a massive shout out to Ollie and Shane and Chantel and the boys down at Headspace, everyone that's been involved. It's been an absolute pleasure to work with everyone. I really feel like everyone works as a cohesive unit, and it's a little family down there. So it's awesome to be able to see the inner workings of a small Australian company. It's great.
It's cool.
It's awesome to see the first step, framing getting put on, and then they're gonna let the glue set for a few days, and then we're gonna come back Friday and actually see the roof getting lowered down, which is gonna be a huge part.
Huge.
So excited for
Yeah,
that.
huge. And then we should be able to drive away on Friday.
Epic.
Pending everything goes
Epic.
to plan.
Absolutely awesome. And I wasn't going to tell you, but I'm going to tell you now.
I don't know what he's going to say. Could be anything.
We have also decided that we want to purchase the Headspace 270 awning. This thing just, in my opinion, finishes the whole entire build. And I'm so excited to show you guys this, because this isn't something that they advertise a lot of, but they do stock them. Correction, they don't stock them, but they do make them to order, which is awesome. It's the same canvas as the tent itself, and it's just such a heavy duty 270 degree awning. There's nothing like it out there on the market, in my opinion. and it just fits and complements the conversion so well. So I'm excited to actually show you guys what that looks like.
If you're not sold, you should be. Until Friday, we're just gonna chill out and explore Brisbane. Anyway, we'll see you
guys on Friday.
See you in a sec.
It has been 2 weeks of suspense until we actually see what Dusty is going to look like with her new roof, and we are beyond excited. We'll just wait for them to do their thing, and then we're going to actually see the roof get lowered down, and then we're going to jump out of the workshop so we can, you know, give them some breathing room and let them do their thing, and then not long after that it'll be done, and I can't wait.
Yeah, I can't wait either. It's spicy today.
Yeah, it's hot today. See you in a sec. So the roof is going on. How cool. What a cool process this is. There's our floor. What do you think?
It's on.
Already looks like a bit of a different car.
Yeah, looks so different.
I'm looking forward to it being finished. So cool. New home on wheels. Dusty got a big upgrade. Epic. Absolutely epic. We are just about there. Roof on, done. Universal shower awning brackets, so they match the other side, done. Headspace Campers 270 awning, which is absolutely epic. Same canvas to match the same canvas on the tent. We got the Headspace and Explorers collaboration roof racks, the extended roof rails all the way to the nose of the roof conversion as well, which is absolutely awesome. It's literally transformed the whole car. What is this?
Oh my god.
What is that? What car is that?
That's a broken phone.